forget almost everything that we think we understand. I've only once succeeded at taming Mother Nature, and it was only momentarily. Has your education crippled your thinking, perhaps? It's like lives spent peeking through a pinhole camera at a reflection that doesn't exist. Roaming through the Garden of Eden. I'm trapped in a plurocracy that blocks my consciousness. Oh, there goes the snowplow. Got a lot of snow this week. Yeah, waiting for the fall. But the antenna planted in our brains, processing all kinds of information, contradicting all the manure implanted through our education. Whoa, 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 sifting out the relevant as I lay wholly meditated, fishing through a stream of thoughts, coming in through the atmosphere. We are but our own mental guardians, stopping and putting a lid on all the rubbish broadcast into our noggin on our radio brains. We're older than dust and longer than long in a string of eons, older than the stardust. And all that remains is our spaced out, oscillating garbage trapped in the frequencies that we'll never forget. The past spilling into the future in this timeless universe that's forever preaching hate, lace, fear, porn. Apollo and Zeus, please set us free. Goo goo gaga ga, choosing peace not war, as we dance through the polarities of unity and love, learning to accept life without the dark sides. Love you all. That's all I know.